Hey everyone, and welcome to this unboxing of the Mi Band 3 from Xiaomi. In the package here we get an extra band and some screen protectors. There's actually two protectors here, and on the back is a description on how to apply it, and the watch box itself, wrapped in plastic. The box itself is white and clean, and only on the back you'll find some information and specs about the band. The Mi Band 3 looks a lot like the older Mi Band 2, but the front is now all in one piece, as the Mi Band 2 had a separated touch area and a flatter design. In the box we get the watch module itself, a black band, and a very thick user manual in all sorts of languages. Inside this little pocket on the side here is the charging cable. Let's just remove the watch from this paper holder. Just push it out from the bottom. There we go. The band module feels very solid and looks good too. I like how they made a little dump where the touch area is. On the back is the heart rate sensor. Let's just remove the sticker and put the module on the band so we can see how it looks together. Just push the module and pull the band out a bit at the same time. There we go. Everything blends well together without any edges sticking out anywhere, so it looks nice. The rubber material is smooth and will for sure be easy to keep clean. Some rubber types tend to attract dust, but this is not the case here. The bands are also soft enough and good to touch, and the length is easy to adjust with the push pin on the back. Let's power it on and check out the screen. I guess it needs to be charged first, so let's remove the band again. The charger has a 2-pin connector for the band and a standard USB connector for the power source. It looks the same as the charger for the Mi Band 2, but it's not the same size, so it will not fit. Just insert the module in this end and connect it to a power source. While charging, the screen shows you the battery level and how long it's been charging. Okay, I have now charged it a bit, so let's try it on. The push-pin style bands are easy to adjust and sits on securely. That's a bit tight, so let's adjust it one level. It looks nice on the wrist and is comfortable to wear. It's actually a bit smaller than I thought it would be. Let's now take it outside for a walk and see how it looks. The screen is bright and easy to read, and below it you'll find the touch button, but it's actually not used for navigation like on the Mi Band 2. To navigate, we have to swipe on the screen. We can swipe up, down, left and right. The touch area below works as a back button and to turn on the screen. On the screen we can see time, date, day, steps, distance, calories burned, battery level. We can do manual heart rate monitoring, check the weather, and swipe to the left to see tomorrow's weather, and again for the next day. You can start exercises directly from the watch, and it looks like this. You can see the exercise time and calories burned. Swipe left to see heart rate and the current time. To pause the exercise, just hold the push button for a couple of seconds, and we can now choose to continue the exercise or stop it completely. The activities will be saved as a separate activity in the app, so you can easily find and read your data on the phone. It can also show you notifications like SMS, incoming phone calls, Facebook, Viber, etc. Here's the stopwatch. Just hold the button to start. Now you can tap the screen to pause or restart. Hold the button to stop. The silent mode will actually turn on or off the silent mode on your phone, so you don't have to take it out of your pocket to do it. Find the device will play a tune on your phone's speaker so you can locate it. The screen function lets you change the watch face, and there's only 3 different ones to choose from. About is just information about software, etc. That should cover most of the functions on the watch itself, but let's check out how the notifications look before we move over to the app. Here we are receiving an incoming call, and on the screen we can see the person's name. We can now hold the button to turn off the ringtone. Now let's try with a text message. As you can see, it works fine, but it will not show smileys. Messages can also be deleted. Now let's move over to the app. The app used is Xiaomi's Mi Fit. The main screen here shows you all the latest activity data like steps, distance, calories, sleep monitoring, heart rate, graphs, goals, etc. To see more detailed data, just click the desired item. Here you can see details for the current day with a nice graph for steps. Below is distance and calories. Activities are separated for easy monitoring. In the blue area is monthly summary for the last 30 days. At the bottom you can click and enter the history. The sleep monitoring works well and is accurate enough. It will show you how much you slept, deep sleep, light sleep and awake time. Under is some tips and analysis of your sleep pattern. To see other days, just swipe the screen. As mentioned before, when you start an activity on the watch, it will be saved in the app. This can be opened to see more details as heart rate chart and the intensity of the exercise. At the bottom is reached goals. Activities can also be started directly from the app. Here's the app and watch settings. At the top we have the average steps, total distance and goals. My devices shows what devices are paired with the app. You can also get goals, add friends, set alerts, analysis, etc. Here we can adjust the settings for the watch, like unlock screen, incoming calls, notifications, set event reminders, set alarms. These are vibration alarms only, as there is no speaker on the watch, but it works very well and it woke me up every day. You can also set which apps you want alerts from. You can choose what hand you want to wear the watch on, turn on or off HR monitoring, change weather settings, etc. Well, that should cover most of the watch and app, And I must say the whole package is very nice. There's no color screen, but the display here is very clear and easy to read. The menu is easy to navigate through and all the functions work well. The battery life should be up to about 20 days. But if you keep it connected by Bluetooth, it will be around 14. The Mi Fit app is also a winner as it is very stable and has a lot of functionality. At the moment the Mi Band 3 only costs about $20 plus, so I say it's a bargain. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, comment and like. Bye bye.